So mashallah, we are here like our super sales team and Mr. Umar, our content boss, our CEO here. So mainly like whatever we plan, not like 2025 start, then we start planning. 2025 whatever we need to plan already we did in before 6 months to 8 months like 2024. So this is how we are active and as we know 2024 we face some like issues from our customer side little and some we have you can call the worldwide we have some difficulty because some country we here have war issues, so that's why in 2024 little tough, but from our side mashallah as we get good training from our CEO, so we close very nicely like whatever he give us plan, and we're not only by talking because we do in action. So that mashallah this is what we are, this is what name we give to our company, and this all credit go to like our CEO and our management, and whatever we did for our customers mashallah they know very well. We are fully 100% honest to our customer, loyal, and no way like zigzag for any one person no have chance in this company whoever work. So very clear message in 2025 for all our old customer or maybe whatever we add in new customers, because mainly we are giving the three message to our customers. First, we are very straight, we not make any cheating or any like hiding to customer, whatever we talk 100% right and is truth. Second, our policy for old customer is very clear. From our management side we get some chance to maintain our like big customers whoever with us long time, fully 100% trust, we support by any chance to our customers. So this is number 2 message. Number 3, mashallah we have the latest technology and you can call latest product. Every 2-3 months we have some new upcoming like technology things. So this is all like by our management team. So I will wish inshallah in future 2025 we will give more good service to our customers, and our many new policy, new product upcoming inshallah in 2025. So this is all by time by time customer can